call for vote. Please vote for the best evaluator. And we have evaluators starting from Toastmaster Thomas, Toastmaster Kalyan, Toastmaster Janani, Toastmaster Aravind.
Qualified evaluator.
Before that, can I ask the timer for the qualified evaluators?
Toastmaster Janani and Toastmaster Aravind are the qualified evaluators.
Only two qualified.
Thank you. Only two.
So, Toastmaster Janani and Toastmaster Aravind are qualified evaluators. Among these two qualified evaluators, please vote for the best evaluator. Now it's time for the quantitative analysis. So let's go for the timers report. So shall I call upon the timer Abhijit?
For the prepared speeches, speaker number 1, Toastmaster Santosh, took 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Second speaker, Toastmaster Prakash, took 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Third speaker, Toastmaster Lokesh, took 5 minutes and 48 seconds. Fourth speaker, Toastmaster Balamurli, took 7 minutes and 9 seconds. Among the table topic speakers, Siddhika took 56 seconds, Sanjeev 1 minute 21 seconds, Jayachandran 1 minute, Vinod 1 minute 25 seconds, Prashant 1 minute 35 seconds, guest Kirti 53 seconds, Abhijit 1 minute 19 seconds, guest Amin 24 seconds, Kalyan 1 minute 40 seconds, Godwin 1 minute 33 seconds, Arvind 1 minute 15 seconds, Tushar 1 minute 30 seconds. Among the evaluators, Toastmaster Thomas 3 minutes 35 seconds, Toastmaster Kalyan 3 minutes 36 seconds, Janani 3 minutes 2 seconds, Toastmaster Arvind 3 minutes 17 seconds. Table topic speaker, there was Toastmaster Selva 1 minute 19 seconds.
Thank you, Abhijit, for a detailed report. Now it's time for House Counters report. Selva,
The second speaker, Santosh, 2 positives, 1 filler and 2 repetition. And Balamurli, 3 repetition. Prakash, 1 filler. Lokesh, 1 repetition. The table topics speakers, Siddhika, no positives, no filler and 2 repetition. Kuryanov Akash, Sanjeev, 1 repetition. Jayachandran, 2 fillers. Vinod, 1 filler. Prashant, 2 fillers and 1 repetition. Kirti, 1 filler and 2 repetition. 1 repetition. Abhijit, 1 repetition. Amin, 1 pass and 1 filler. Kalyan, no passes, fillers and repetition. Godwin, same, no pauses, no filler and no repetition. Aravind, 1 filler. And Tushar, no pauses and no filler and no repetition. Evaluators, Janani, no pauses, no filler and no repetition. Kalyan, used 1 repetition. Thomas, 1 filler and 3 repetition. Aravind, 1 filler and 1 repetition.
now it's time to hear the grammarian report from Godwin. Godwin, please.
Coming to the usage of words today, like prepared speeches from Team Santosh, like some word of jam, old fashioned, pure pleasure, autonomy, prank, uses car, pain, throughout the life, dignified, reflects the eternal beauty. Something is used by Santosh. And Team Prakash, hungry, angrier, level of enthusiasm, joy and energy, enthusiastic, pleasant and positive, contagious, welcoming voice, sixth sense, be positive, positive energy brings strength, motivation, initiative. Some of the words and used by Team Prakash. And Team Lokesh, delightful, drop a crumble, blessed derby, nourished, handful of meal, motivating incident, hefty, sternly, loud and clear, starving, toddler. Team Balamurli, haunted and hostile, pitch dark, amble, started sweating, pensive, devilish grin, eluding, unusual, paranormal. These are used by Balamurli. Team Siddhika, end of the day. And these are the team topics, end of the day. And Team Sanjit, passion for food, hunger for work. Team Jaychandran, more healthier. Team Vinod, edible, homemade. And guest Prashant, health is well, one shot. Guest gave me the best mark, the best, mouth-watering. Team Amachal, anything veg to anything non-veg. Team Kalyan, Kindle. And Team Tushar, socialism, migrant or immigrant, discriminating, treated equally, don't discriminate. And Team Thomas, gripping story, trapping. Team Kalyan, beautifully viewed. Team Janani, sweet and simple, switched expectation. Team Arvind, salivated, acidic, salivating, flow bomb, mood swing, sense of salivating. And the word of the day and the theme of the day. Theme of the day was used by only one, the same exact word. If you want, the one with GM Prashant has used it. And Brosial used by Arjun, Balamudi and Prashant.
Now it's time for my report, General Evaluator's report. As far as the meeting is concerned, meeting started by 10 o'clock. Actually, it should have started by 9:45. And actually, when I came, the temperature was perfect. I think now the AC is a little bit extra good. Otherwise, everything was fine. And we are the number one in club in Tamil Nadu. Medley is the number one club. But I don't see any medals or.
You're very modest.
And actually, today's TMOD played a very good role. Actually, when I saw the theme of the day, I thought, what a mocha topic here. But when I came here and the meeting started, actually, I became the odd man out, and actually, I'm not that good foodie. I'm not that good in knowing all these terms of. Even if I go to the hotel along with friends, I will not order anything. I will order something which somebody else has ordered. So I don't know. So many varieties are there, and people and everything was mixed together. Actually, it was a very good coalition, I could say. The TMOD, even the table topic master, the TT speakers, everybody gelled together and everybody contributed a lot. I really wonder how so many things can be spoken in this topic of actually, when table topic master gave a topic, which state food you like the most, and you should not say Tamil Nadu food. He started Bangalore. I thought he would be saying Bangalore dosa, Bangalore idli. But he gave ragi ball, and I had a lot of interesting stuff, new things I learned actually regarding food, even the prepared speeches, I should say. They also gelled together. They also contributed a lot to the theme, and especially the topic which Lokesh took, that was really thought-provoking, and that was new insights actually. So, today's prepared speeches, everybody came well prepared, and prepared speeches was really I enjoyed the prepared speeches, especially Balamurali's, Toastmaster Balamurali's prepared speech was very thrilling and it was like watching a small Kamali movie. Overall, all the prepared speeches were very well prepared and presented well. A few things actually. Very important thing I wanted to tell is, see, when there is a change of location, we all see many people here belong to are here for more than 1 year or something. So we don't think that there is a necessity to put the location map. When there is a change in the location, especially today morning, Godwin and Selva found it difficult to locate the new location, IIT Research Park. When there is a change in the location, please post a map along with the thing. And also the hall number was not mentioned in the agenda and also the poster. So whenever we put a poster, please put the hall number. Otherwise, we had a banner outside, well placed, that was comfortable. And role players, please see to that you come 15 minutes earlier. And one more thing actually, agenda previously we used to send 3 days before, at least tentative agenda should be sent. and the full-fledged agenda can be sent one day before, at least one day before. And I found that agenda only by midnight 11:30 sent. And of course, most of the Toastmasters, mainly Toastmasters, are night owls. But still, it would be better if we can come out with the agenda at least one day earlier. And I find a lot of changes in the agenda, that final agenda. I think there should be less change. There can be less changes in the final agenda. The role takers, once you take up the role, please don't back up. Please don't give up. And when I asked for the timer, actually, even the timer was not confirmed till the last moment yesterday. Timer, actually, Medley is a big club. We have plenty of members. I don't know why we find it difficult to find a role player. So please confirm all the role players at least 3 days before. Otherwise, hope you all enjoyed the meeting. You all enjoyed the meeting?
Yes.
So it is a very delicious and ambrosial meeting we had today. Thanks for the TMOD for giving such a wonderful theme. Yeah, let me back to the Toastmasters.
Okay, how many of you are hungry? How many of you are mad at me for not giving you food? You guys are not even like hungry. I saw Balaji bringing a very big bottle of slice, so we actually have some small snacks here. I know they won't satisfy your huge medley appetite, but unless anyone is willing to give a treat. No? So it is amazing to see so much. Usually, okay, not so much, but you guys came on a Sunday morning, and I know how agonizing it is to sit here and talk about food when actual food is not present. So thank you all for your patience and for your enthusiasm. So do we have some time? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So usually the TMOD is supposed to give a message, but on this topic I'm not sure what. Okay. If I had a message, I would say that enjoy your daily food. I know that everyone likes to go out to restaurants to eat their favorite food, and we neglect our daily food. So try to concentrate more on your daily food and try to enjoy that more. That would be my message. And since we have, I realize that all of you talked about your favorite food, but I haven't spoken about my favorite food. So since we have some time, this could take a while. So I'll start with breakfast. For breakfast, he's saying no. Yeah.
Just give one dish.
No.
Full meals.
Full
Five course.
So for breakfast, hot steaming idlis with a crispy roasted dosa with masala inside. 3 types of chutney in different colors. Hot biting sambar. Vada, nicely soaked in sambar. That would be breakfast. Moving on to lunch. For lunch, like Arvind described, a banana leaf lunch with a glossy finish. Sambar rice placed at the center of the leaf, and several small sweets, 4 curries, and a solitary vada placed at the edges of
Why
the.
solitary vada? Not 2 vadas.
Sure, you can ask for extras. But in you picture weddings, they'll have only 1 vada. I don't know for what reason they
No, they
put.
usually have 2 now.
Okay, they've upgraded, okay. So placed on the edges, we have all these dishes. At the center, we have a sambar rice and a big appam, which is put in the middle of the sambar rice. And a lot of variety rice is also at the edges. These dishes are placed in an ergonomic manner to maximize the user interface between the leaf and the And after we're done with this sambar rice, we move on to the next, my personal favorite dish, the curd rice. When you eat this curd rice, you feel like you've attained inner peace. After this soulful curd rice, you move on to the dessert part. Pal payasam. This pal payasam, which they especially serve in weddings in South India, this feels like nectar of gods. Once I had pal payasam, I kept calling back the guy just for pal payasam. And he actually gave me 2 cups at a time after a point. So I ended up drinking around 8 cups of pal payasam. And after that, an afternoon nap for 3 hours. Nothing like that. Now moving on to evening. Now we are all very familiar with the bonda, bhaji, bonda mainly of course, and then bhaji, and pizza, burgers, all these things for evening snacks. Any one of these or all of these. And finally moving on to dinner. For dinner, my favorite thing is North Indian dinner, which is naan. Not just naan, butter naan. The butter should be shining. You should see yourself in that butter naan. Stuffed kulcha. Stuffing should be so aromatic. Paneer butter masala. That paneer should just melt in your mouth when you eat the paneer.
There are a lot of non-vegetarians.
Yeah, I am sorry you guys, I'm a vegetarian, so if any of you
He
want
said he's going to speak about food. I was wondering he's going to speak about food.
Where is the food?
Let's start with it.
No, I was thinking of you guys would be very hungry. I didn't want to infuriate you.
God is the food.
This is built up.
I'm not done yet. So, paneer butter masala, the paneer just crumbles and melts in your mouth. And kadai vegetable. And then later a big puri with chana masala and 1 onion. The raw onion for salad. And for dessert, a butterscotch milkshake, ice cream. Finish up, very sumptuous. So that would be my perfect meal.
You forgot one thing.
Yes?
You forgot juice.
Juice.
Then ice cream.
Oh, you forgot ice cream.
So, if any of you are willing to provide me this service, I'll provide you my full contact details. I'll be available 24/7. So, over to the presiding officer.
Send a
Thanks a lot, Arjun, for giving us a glimpse of heaven. Surrounded by food, served on glossy banana leaf. I think that would be an artificial banana leaf.
Yeah, glossy.
Okay. First thing, let me invite Lokesh. He wants to say something on contest.
I think after a few meetings, you guys will throw stones at me for coming out of the stage and speaking about contest, but it's my duty because few people have sent huge benchmarks of doing great contesting chair roles. So, to remind you guys about the contest, it's coming on August 20. A bit repetitive because I hope you guys give a thought about it, participating in the contest. Every member is eligible to participate in the contest. It is humor speech as well as evaluation contest. You can participate in either one or both the contests. So they always say that competition is the engine driving progress, but in medley it is the progress that takes us to the competition. So contests have made huge champions in medley. It is an opportunity for all the new members as well as the older members to participate in the contest and set new benchmarks. So for more details about the contest, you can contact me at any time. Whenever I pick the call. Over to you.
So contest is on 20th August 2020, and please nominate yourself. It's going to be a good experience taking part in contest. It will help you evolve as a speaker. Now, second, I would like to call this person, this fellow Toastmaster. He joined probably last year and has been very instrumental, a kind of face of medley. He has taken part. He has participated actively in area contest, division contest, not as a contestant, but as a medley representative. And he is going to US, so you would have guessed by now. So I just want to give a standing ovation to Prakash for his contribution.
See the standing ovation.
That is a standing ovation. Now, he was the perfect, enthusiastic, young Toastmaster which we always introduce in our club before giving a speech or anything. So, Prakash.
Thank you, Tushar. Actually, I did expect this one now, but this is the time to sign off from medley. But we can meet in Toastmaster. I definitely joined Toastmaster in US. That is my ultimate aim. Before I leave from here, I thought I want to give a speech of CCC. That's why I delivered today. And before I can say my life in before Toastmaster and after Toastmaster, I can see more transformation in myself after I joined Toastmaster. It's a really good forum for me, helped me a lot. Thank you, Tushar.
Thanks a lot, Prakash, for all your effort and your contribution to medley, and we wish you all the best. Now, guest feedback. We have two guests. So, can you please tell us how you came to know about Toastmaster? What was your expectation? Was it met or not?
Yeah, I came to know about through, and actually I haven't even, before entering this room, I had no clear idea what is going to be inside. After coming and sitting here, I just observed things, okay, I'm going to enhance my skills over here. But I'll be another initiative, I'll be following for further updates on the club. I'll be an initiator again. Thanks.
Thank you. So next we'll move to awards, and I would like to call Kalyan here so that we can give away the awards. Okay. For best role player, Arjun.
Just a second.
No, Robert. Little more close.
Best evaluator, Johnny.
Oh yeah, it's flashing.
Best speaker, Lokesh. Now in every democratic institution, there is always a you please stay. People say there is always chance of rigging in election, but there was no rigging today. I would like you to just read out the name, and then I already have the best table topic speaker. Just to say, just to prove that I haven't rigged the results.
Table topic speaker. It says, Kalyan, I'm giving you a script. Please read it as Tushar.
Trophy.
I hope you enjoyed this meeting. Next, we are meeting on 30th July in Gandhinagar from 2:55 p.m. Next meeting, we have a education session on language, usage of language, usage of grammar, about words, brevity, everything, and it will be taken by Commerce sir, and that is going to be a workshop. And when it is workshop, there would be some activities as well, and it's a bit different. There would be a homework also. Today I will be sending out a mail where Commerce sir has asked everyone to prepare a small script on the topic he has given. So wait for that mail, and I hope to see everyone there on 30th. With this, I adjourn meeting 368. Okay, there's a guest fee of 150 rupees. Please give it to. Please come to me. No, I think to take my bag.